Ladies, please take note. Men attend to women for two reasons, sex and love. But in most cases, men do not marry for sex or for love, they marry for stability. Let me explain. A man can love you and not marry you. A man can have sex with you for years without marrying you. But immediately he finds someone who brings stability in his life. He marries her. What I mean by stability is peace of mind. I have seen some guys who made this statement, "I love this lady, but I don't think I can spend the rest of my life with her." Men are visionaries when they think about marriage. They do not think about wedding dresses, bridesmaids, anything that most ladies think is fanciful. They wonder whether this woman can build me a home. Can she take care of my kids and I? Can she give me peace of mind? Men don't like ladies who give them discomfort. This is why a man can stay with a woman for years and meet another in a month, then get married to her. It's the comfort of having peace of mind they want. Sex is pleasure, love is affection, respect is stability.